It's February, and most of you are wondering what would be a perfect Valentine gift this year. Friends, these are the two necklaces that I have introduced as our Valentine special for 2021, and I have an option in gold and silver. The centerpiece is a ruby. It's a ruby drop, a very high quality, authentic ruby. These are the rubies that I have used in making of the necklaces. They are ruby beads, and we have put them in such a way that they are free to move around the necklace. The product name of these necklaces is Annabi, Annabi, Annabi gold or Annabi silver. Annabi basically is a color. It is a color that represents the richness of deep red color of the ruby. When she will wear it, she will feel the authenticity, the romance, and the vibrancy of the color flowing all over. Because ruby is a color of passion, a gemstone of love. The prices for both the necklaces are absolutely reasonable, and I'm sure all of you can have it either in gold or in silver. The quality of ruby is the same for in both the cases, only the metal is gold or silver, depending on what color do you like, whether you like it in white or whether you would like it in yellow. So just rush on to nafisadesigns.com. Look for Annabi, Annabi. It is in the premiere at the moment, so you will be able to see it on the homepage itself. Don't forget to use the coupon code Valentine21 during purchase to get your special 10% off. Just go ahead, buy it for yourself or for someone special.